So she said, no, it's okay, it's okay. And then this morning I asked him how he was, and he said, I'm feeling much better. I just feel a little burning.
Yesterday?
No, it's been a few days. So it's been a few days, yes.
Does he have medical, is he allergic to any medications?
No, there are no.
Does he take any medications?
No, he doesn't.
So he doesn't see a doctor for anything?
No, he doesn't.
High blood pressure, heart rate, diabetic, nothing like that, perfectly healthy?
He's perfectly healthy.
Okay, any drugs? No one's in trouble, so no illegal drugs?
No, he doesn't use any illegal drugs.
No drugs, no alcohol?
He doesn't use alcohol, no.
Okay. Has he been, I heard the other day, been sick lately?
No, he's just been shortness of breath.
When he's walking or when he's sleeping, shortness of breath? Because he can go for a walk without getting short of breath?
Well, he's he'll go up the stairs and he will get short of breath.
Going up the stairs.
Going up the stairs, and then the last couple of days has been when he gets up, he's like, oh, I feel so winded.
And he hasn't gone to a doctor for that, nothing like that?
No, I've been asking him for that.
Does he see a doctor on a regular basis?
No, he doesn't. I mean, he's just the healthiest person that you can imagine. I mean, he's just so healthy.
And my name's Mike, this is Dave. I'm going to get you some information. So I'm just going to be as honest as I want someone to be with my wife too. So I'm just going to be honest. Let me go find some information. Do we have his license at all? Yeah. Does he have a wallet anywhere? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, no problem.
I know this is a lot coming at you all at once. You're doing good. Just keep breathing, okay? I don't know. That's what Mike is probably one of our best paramedics.
He was blue when I walked in.
What's that?
He was blue when I walked in until I started doing compressions. He was blue on the face.
Okay.
When was the last time you talked to him?
Work, and he was talking to one of my friends on the phone because he said that he wasn't feeling well, so my friends said that they would give him a blessing. So they were giving him a blessing over the phone. And then my friends texted me and said, you better get home now.
Okay, so we're doing a blessing over the phone?
So they were not blessing over the phone, and then my friends texted me and said, you need to get home now. He's not doing well. He's on the ground in the bathroom. So I called my son, and I said, go over there and make sure he doesn't pass out. I said, I am on my way home. And then I just had the impression that he needed to call 911, so I said, stay on the phone with me, and then I said, no. I said, hang up and call 911 right now.
Okay. What time was the blessing over the phone going on? You know? Best guess.
I have it right here.
Okay.
I can't guess right now.
Okay.
3:18.
Okay, 3:18.
Yeah. And I called my son called him at 3:15, so it's around 3:15.
Okay. And then what made them tell you to come home immediately?
They said that he wasn't.
So someone was here with him, giving him
it was on the phone. They were on the phone.
Okay.
Was he talking to him?
He was talking when I called him, and he was talking to Joseph. He was talking to you, right?
No.
Was he
I walked
talking?
in, he was passed out, Mom. And I called 911. I was on the phone with 911.
So what
in.
happened when you said, "Don't get up, don't get up"? Remember you said, "Don't."
No, he was trying to move and stuff. He was
okay.
like trying to he's doing.
Did you guys ever do any chest compressions on him at all?
I did when I walked in.
So when you got here, you did CPR?
Yes.
Okay, so.
I started compressions.
Why do you guys need a warrant for my house?
Okay, so we're definitely not trying to make things worse, ma'am. We're not trying to have anybody feel bad or be anxious, but someone died in your house today, and we're not going to leave your house until we finish that investigation. So, and we're going to secure it while we seek a search warrant from the judge. And if the judge grants it, then we'll conduct a search as necessary to finish the death investigation. If the judge doesn't, then we will leave. But for right now, we're going to stand by in the house and control individuals' movements in the house. They're not required to stay here, so if they'd like to leave, they are free to leave. But we will not be leaving the house at this time.
Okay.
Well, the incident started here. I get that he was pronounced deceased at the hospital, but all of that started here. It didn't start in the hospital, it started in this house. Okay? And like I said, we're not trying to traumatize anybody, we're not trying to push this. And okay, you have your right to that opinion, I understand that, man. We have a job to do, and unfortunately sometimes that ends up making people feel uncomfortable. That's not our intent, but we have our job to do. So that's kind of where we stand right now. And your children that are here are adults and they're free to leave. We're not holding them here. So, but we are going to hold the house while we seek the search warrant. So, and they're not necessarily free to move around the house and just go do whatever they want. So they can leave the house, they're free to leave that, but they're not free to wander around the house while we secure it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna get a hold of my lawyer and see if then he can maybe give you a call back.
Okay. I have no need to speak to your lawyer because it's not going to change anything, but you're more than welcome to give him a call. You have every right to.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Are you guys on your way here?